Can an ESD mat protect your PC build from static? Have you ever wondered if an electrostatic discharge mat can really keep your PC build safe from static electricity? Let's break it down and see how this simple tool can make a big difference. When you are building or maintaining a personal computer, static electricity can be a hidden threat. It builds up on your body or tools as you move around. This charge can discharge suddenly when you touch sensitive components, like the motherboard or graphics card, potentially causing damage. An electrostatic discharge mat is designed to handle this issue. It provides a controlled path to safely dissipate static charges away from your electronic parts. This means that instead of a sudden zap, the static charge is slowly drained to the ground. You typically place the mat on your work surface or floor and connect it to a grounding point. This setup creates a safe environment for handling delicate components. In the world of computer gaming, where high-performance builds can be quite expensive, protecting your components during assembly or upgrades is essential. An electrostatic discharge mat, when used alongside a grounding wrist strap, offers a reliable way to neutralize static buildup. This allows you to focus on building or upgrading without worrying about hardware failure. Now, let's look at some key features of electrostatic discharge mats that are relevant to PC building and gaming. These mats have low electrical resistance, which means they allow static charges to flow slowly and safely to the ground. This prevents abrupt discharges that could harm your components. They also protect both the components and the work surface from wear and static damage. While high humidity can reduce static risks, many gaming setups are in dry conditions. This increases the chances of electrostatic discharge, making electrostatic discharge mats even more important. Even if you use a grounding wrist strap, having an electrostatic discharge mat adds an extra layer of protection by controlling static buildup on your work surface. To use an electrostatic discharge mat properly, place it on your desk or workbench and connect it to a grounded outlet or grounding point. Make sure your wrist strap is also grounded. This simple setup can significantly reduce the risk of component failure caused by static electricity. For anyone building or maintaining a gaming personal computer, an electrostatic discharge mat is a practical tool. It helps protect your investment and ensures stable, reliable gaming performance. So, if you want to keep your PC build safe from static electricity, investing in an electrostatic discharge mat is a smart choice.